Friends, today we are learn about the types of computer network. In that topic, friends, here subscribe my channel and please click the bell icon for the new topics or the videos will get to as soon as possible. Today's we discuss about the types of computer network. In that here the connection of Wi-Fi is strongly networks also ranging from the network. Here learn about the types of computer network. There are four main parts of the computer. There are four main parts of the computer. PAN, Personal Area Network. LAN, Local Area Network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. And the WAN, Wide Area Network. In this slide, you have to learn about the types of computer network. Here first type, Personal Area Network, PAN. What is mean by PAN? Here a main system as a server, and that server you have to send the number of system or the devices interconnected to each other. That connected the system is the PAN network. It is a network formed by connecting a few personal devices. Few personal devices. This is the your mobile phone, your headphones, smartphone, printer, mouse, and the laptops. And the one is the laptop is the main server. The network, it is a network formed by connecting a few personal devices like a computers, laptops, mobile phone, smartphones, printers, smartphone and the printers. These all are the information is internally connected to each other. Few examples you have to get here, and that is known as the personal computer. You have to connect the number of inputs. All these devices lie within an approximate range of 10 meters. It is lie between approximately range of 15 range of 10 meters. A personal area network may be wired or wireless. A personal area network may be wired or wireless. It is a device in the form of connectivity to the network may be wired or wireless. A personal area network is network using wired through the cable or wireless you through the air network. In a example, a mobile phone connected to the laptop. A mobile phone connected to the laptop through the USB forms a wired PAN. Means you have to use a wired cable through the cable, wireless USB port cable, and that cable is the wired PAN, personal area network. While two smartphones communicating with each other, while you have to use two smartphones communicating with each other through the Bluetooth technology from a wireless PAN or WPAN. And that technology you can use for the PAN technology. It is a network formed by connecting a few personal devices. save personal devices, and that devices it's like computers or laptops, mobile phones, smartphones, or the printers. And it is also range is approximately 10 meters. You have to use a personal network. And here a example of mobile phone. This is the mobile phone connected to the laptop through the USB forms a wired PAN means wire cable. This is it indicates a USB cable, and that two smartphones is also communicating. This is the two smartphones. Here the one smartphone also headphones, printers, mouse you can connect it each other, and that technology you can use for the Bluetooth technology from the wireless personal area network or the wired wireless personal area network WPAN or the wireless PAN. Next slide. Here the local area network LAN, and that LAN is the you can use for the local area network. In that local area network, this is the server line. You can attach the LAN cable. Here the cable. Here that cable you have to connect a one computer device, one another CPU device, another computer device. Here the one tablet, scanner. You can another here another computer personal device. Here another computer personal device. Here computer personal device means interconnected. Here one printer you have to connect. That is LAN you have to consider. There are 10 to 10 5 to 10 PCs is interconnected in a system, and there are number of the cables you have to number only one cable you have to use for the LAN cable. This is the LAN cable and indicates its operate multiple devices. It is a network that connects the computers, mobile phones, tablets, mouse and printers. It placed at limited distance. Like the geographical area covered by the land can range from the single room, a floor, an office having one or more buildings. In the same premises you can use for laboratory, school, colleges or the university campuses. And that type of the geographical area it covered by the land can range from the single room or the floor or the office. He can use for the number of the buildings, laboratory, school, colleges or the university campus, and that type of the local area networks he is using for the computer network. This is the one type of the computer networks connectivity. The connectivity is done by means of the wires. This is the wires you can also connect. Ethernet cable. This Ethernet cable you also connect. Fiber optic cables you also connect, or the through the Wi-Fi you can also connect. The number of connectivity you can use for the wire cable, Ethernet cable, fiber optic cables or the data cables. It is in the form of the local area network. In this here the one type of the monitor, here keyboard, this is the computer device. Here only CPU, this system is the on and then directly connected to the LAN cable. Here the smartphones. This is the local area network. You can place the a limited distance like a store, one single room, floor, building or the same premises you can use for the laboratories, school, colleges, university campuses. using a fiber optic cable, Ethernet cable or the Wi-Fi cable. Okay. Here in this slide you can use for the LAN. The LAN is comparatively secure as only authentic users in the network can access other computers or the shared resources. LAN is comparatively secure because it can be used for the authentic user. That the users you have to use for the number of computer devices you can authorize that authentication users, and that users is only access the LAN data or the internet, and this is it is a secured. Users can print the documents using a connected to printers, upload or download the documents, software to and from the local server. This is the number of the LAN cable you can use for the number of functions is operated or the connected one print, and that printer is using for the connected to the printer upload or download the documents. You can install the software for local server. He can use for the local area network. Such a LAN provides the short range communication with the high speed data transfer rate. You can use for the high speed data transfer rate using a short range communication. These types of the networks can be extended up to 1 kilometer only. This type means LAN networks is only using a 1 kilometer distance. The data transfer in a LAN is quite high and usually varies from 10 Mbps. This is called as the Ethernet. The data transfer you can use for the quite high means that you can increase the bit rate of the data, and it usually varies from 10 megabit per second. This is called as the Ethernet. To 1000 Mbps is called as the gigabit Ethernet. Here called the Ethernet and here called the gigabit Ethernet. This where the Mbps it stands for megabits per second. Mbps it stands for the megabits per second. The Ethernet is a set of rules. The Ethernet is a set of rules that decides how computers and other devices. The Ethernet is a set of rules and that is decides how the computers and other devices connect with each other. Connect with each other and through the cables in a local area network or the LAN. Through the cable you have to connect local area network or the LAN using these types of the networks. It can be used for extended up to 1 kilometer, and it is also used for the data 10 megabits per second to 1000 megabits per second using a Ethernet, and that is most important for the local area network, that is the LAN. You can use for the cable through the network, that is means LAN. Next, metropolitan network, area network. Here metropolitan like a networking, and here the LAN 1, LAN 2 or the LAN 3. Here number of the users you have to connect it the building 1 or the server 1, like classrooms, university campuses, schools, laboratories. Also you can use for the banks. This system is the number of users you can interconnected to main server, and that means for the metropolitan area network. Is a metropolitan area network MAN is an extended form of LAN which covers a larger geographical area like a city or a town. Larger geographical area or town. The data transfer rate in a man also ranges in Mbps, but it is considerably less as compared to the LAN. And this metropolitan area network MAN is an extended from the LAN, which covers a larger geographical area. This is the graphical representation you have to use for the LAN 1, LAN 2 and the LAN 3. Number of devices you can consider for the building, you can consider for the laboratories, local cities. Also particular locations is the strongly you can use for university campuses, banks, companies. You can use for the larger geographical area like a city or the town. A data transfer rate in a MAN also ranges in Mbps. MAN metropolitan area network is also ranges in Mbps. It can be used as a Ethernet, but it is considerably less as compared to LAN. A cable TV network or the cable based broadband internet services are the example of MAN. Cable TV network, this is the distance between you can use for the cable TV network or the cable based on broadband communication network services, and that services you can use for the metropolitan area network. That is means you can consider 30 to 40 kilometer distance is a network using for the metropolitan area network MAN. Sometimes many LANs are connected together to form a MAN. This is the sometimes you can connect a many LAN through from a together to form a MAN. This is the working of uses of metropolitan area network MAN. Next, in this slide you can see the wide area network WAN. Wide area network WAN. Here the network users, number of the users. Here user 1, network user 2, network user 3, network user 4, network user 5. You can use a one line of the network switch. This is here the router, and that router is connected through the internet. Here the internet is the protocol, and that protocol is the second of the receiver side network users. User 1, network user 2, network user 3, network user 4 and the network user 5. You can consider first networks is using a Mumbai and another networks user you can use for the Hyderabad. This is the long distance communication for the Mumbai to Hyderabad or the Mumbai to Pune, Mumbai to another distance you have to use for the particular states, and that states is the wide area networks connect computers and other LANs and MANs. This is the LAN connection of the network user, and this is the wide range area network. You can use connection of the MAN connections which are spread across the different geographical locations. This is you can spread a different geographical locations of a country, or in a different countries you can connect or contents from the data in the word area network, and that area networks you can consider the geographical network area to the LAN and WAN. A WAN could be formed by connecting a LAN to other LANs. It could be formed one LAN to other LAN via wired or wireless, and that media is the large business, educational and government organizational. Education and government organizations connect their different branches. You can connect their different branches, organization, connect their different branches or a different location across the world through WAN, across the world through WAN. And each WAN could be from by connecting a LAN to other LANs, by connecting to the LAN or other LANs via wired or wireless media. The largest business or educational and the government organizations connect their different branches in a different location across the world through the WAN, across the world through the WAN. And the internet is the largest WAN that connect the billions of the computers. It is, yes, the internet is the largest WAN. This is the largest WAN. He is the country distance of the 500 kilo. He is the state distance you have to 500 kilometer, 300 kilometer, greater than 500, greater than 700, 2000 kilometers or the 5000 kilometers you can consider for the data of the connection between the billions of the computers, smartphones and the millions of the LANs from a different contents. That contains you have to use a largest network, and that network is known as wide area network. Wide area network in the form of the network to be used in wide area network. Okay, then thank you. Bye bye. Take care.